How to scan a photo on iPhone. To scan a photo on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Notes on your iPhone. Here, you will see many folders. But you need to create a new note. For that, tap on the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, tap on this attachment icon here. A drop-down menu like this will appear on your screen. From here, you need to tap on the Scan Document option. Then, you will be redirected to your camera screen. Here, you need to position the document for the camera to scan. After that, tap on the Capture button to scan the document. You can crop the corners to adjust the document. Hit the Retake button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you are in the camera screen, tap on Auto at the top right corner of your screen to close the auto shutter function. You can also customize the flash according to your requirements. Here, I'm just gonna turn it off. Then, tap on the Capture button again. Once you're done, tap on the Keep Scan button at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you need to tap on the Save button over here. There you go, the scanned photo is being added to your notes. By following these simple steps, you can easily scan a photo on your iPhone.